If you're still looking for a lovely home in the South, and if you haven't found one yet, we'll give 5 reasons why this home should be your next pick. The first reason is because this home already comes fully furnished. Now, being a fully furnished property makes this home so convenient as it presents a turnkey option for you to move into. The living room couch, the dining set, that complements the open-type gourmet kitchen fit together to form a seamless, opulent, and functional look. This is the type of furniture and design that speaks volumes with one look and admiration. The second reason why we love this home is because of its overall stunning architectural design and its beautiful finishes. This beautiful home features beautiful materials everywhere you look. Starting with the choice of a mid-century modern house design, this home exudes warmth and welcome. The use of wooden textures for its ceiling treatment, the use of machuca pattern tiles for its flooring, the solihia woven pattern that they use for the gate, the many windows that allow abundant natural light and natural ventilation across the home, and the presence of large verandas, this home has got it all covered. The third reason why we love this home is because of its unmatched accessibility. This home and this village is literally only about 1.1 kilometers away from the nearest exit from the South Luzon Expressway. It is only 6 kilometers from the Evia Lifestyle Center. It is only about 24 kilometers away from Makati City and Bonifacio Global City. And in terms of access to the airport, it is only about 20 kilometers from the NAIA Terminal 3. This home gives you the ultimate comfort because you are still very near many of life's conveniences and necessities. The fourth reason why we love this home is because it's designed by Taio Architecture and Design. Taio is a young design and architectural firm that is founded by a couple based in Metro Manila, Philippines. By choosing earthy color palettes and familiar styles that come with their own creative twist, their brand represents their individual styles as well as their beautiful interpretation of the Filipino architectural design. Recently, their architectural firm has done many resorts, and they are currently partnering up with top developers in the country to build bigger projects. And finally, the fifth reason why we love this home is because it's inside Lindenwood Residences. Lindenwood Residences is a beautiful community that is composed of 21 hectares of rolling terrain in Susana Heights, Muntinlupa. It offers the comforts, freedom, and indulgences of living in the open country within the security of a gated village. And because of those reasons, living in this home can be an absolute dream. If you want to see all parts of this home, the full house tour is still available in our YouTube channel. Or if you want to see this house in person, call us and we'll assist you right away.